Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking stripped screw holes in a door hinge, and chances are that leads to a door that's offset and you can't close it all the way. It begins rubbing on that trim and it's annoying. There's a right way to fix this and there's a wrong way to fix this. Do not do this wrong. In this video I want to show you the parts that you need to buy. Let's take a look. Package has arrived. Let's go and open up the package and take a look at the actual parts. Alright YouTubers, as we can see here, I've got everything set up in the top right corner. These are called ZZem screws. You can order these online. They're made in the USA. And it comes with everything you need minus your actual drill as well as a screwdriver to insert these bits. Let's start on the top left corner. Quickly and easy install. So as you can see by the picture here, step number one, you want to remove existing hardware, obviously. Using provided drill bit, marked bit at 3 inches, we will grab our tape measure and we will measure 3 inches from here back, and we will label that or mark that, and pre-drilling with smaller bit will help. So here is a photo or pictorial image to give you a better familiarization what is actually going to be done in figure 1. We are going to drill 3 inches deep into the frame, past the hinge. As you can see, this little silver portion is the hinge. Step 2, using provided Torx bit, screw the ZZem screw into new hole, stopping flush or just below wood surface. Again, figure 2. As you can see here, these are the ZZem screws. And as we can see here, you will screw this entire ZZem screw into the frame or trim, as you can see here, figure 2. Step number 3, replace the hinge or strike plate. Install screws. Caution, be sure not to over tighten. Figure 3, here's the image. We are going to grab the Phillips screws here and we will secure the hinge plate with the screw into the ZZem screw. So again, here is your T27, and that will come with this actual set. It comes in a small little bag like this. Everything comes inside that little bag, which is great. So as you can see, following these very simple 3 steps, as well as looking at the entire pictorial image here, we can see this is going to be a very friendly and easy DIY project. Let's go check out the door hinge. And here's the actual door that I am going to be working on. And I will show you as I insert the Phillips screwdriver into the screw. Look at that, it just continues to spin. The entire inner portion of the hole is completely ruined, destroyed, and that screw no longer has any wood to grab onto to properly secure itself and secure this hinge. And coming inside of the actual door, here is why we have to actually work on this hinge. We have our washer and dryer here, and in order to get these units out of this actual room, we have to take off the door. So over the years of this house and removing washer and dryers or working on them, this door has had to come off several times. And all those times taking this door on and off, it basically ruined that inner hole for that screw to grab onto. So we are going to fix that. And coming back outside here, we are going to do all 3, most likely. We'll play it by ear. We'll start with this one for sure, as well as the middle one. As you can see here, you can notice the actual hinge is secure in the little groove on the bottom. However, as it makes its way up to the top, look how far offset that hinge is. So we need to replace this. Also, the door itself will not close. And as you can see up top here, it is rubbing the paint off. So we need to get this fixed. And with that said, in a separate video down below, what I'm going to do is post a link that shows you the step-by-step process of our entire DIY project of removing all these screws, folding the hinge back, supporting the door, drilling the hole, as well as inserting the ZZem screw, re-securing the brand new Phillips screws, and hopefully securing this hinge back up into the actual groove and securing it in a way where our door opens and closes efficiently. So definitely check that link out below. That's it, YouTubers. See, this is an awesome package. It comes with all the required parts. Now it's time to actually put these parts to use and install them. Scrolling at the top is a step-by-step video that shows you how to install these. Definitely take a look at that. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. We'll see you at the next video. Let's get these strip screw holes fixed.